Hi, welcome everyone. You are now watching the factory in-house live show of 2021 TaipeiPLAS and ShoeTech Taipei. I'm Jada, your host today. The 2021 TaipeiPLAS and ShoeTech Taipei has been transformed into a unique and brand new digital event as online exhibition and DigitalGo. Due to pandemic, even though we cannot meet face-to-face in physical trade show, don't worry. I'm going to bring you to visit our exhibitors factory in Taiwan through internet. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave in chat box and words. We will answer them in Q&A section. Now let me bring you to CLF. CLF is the leading company in large processing injection machine. Now let's follow CLF steps to bring you to visit the factory for the latest machine. Hello, let's welcome CLF.
Welcome to CLF. CLF was founded in 1966, specializing in the manufacturing of injection molding machines. As you can see that from 1966 to nowadays, it has been 55 years. During those years,全立發has collected a bunch of experience in providing injection molding solutions and also became the leader brand of injection molding machine manufacturer in Taiwan. With the enthusiasm of challenging ourselves and all our experience, we believe that we will be the best choice to provide our customers the best injection molding solutions and build long-term relationship with all our customers. Now, please follow me. We would like to show you our factory and our machines. Come with me. Actually, the large machine from CLF is very popular and very famous in the market, especially like this one. This is our 3,500 ton machines. And here, we use electric charging motor. This system can save about 30% of the total power consumption. It is a huge amount compared in this machine size. And this is our large machine. This machine is sold to one of our very important customers. This machine is Pacific in pellet production. And this area is the area we assembling and do machine test run. So we assemble the machine here. We do the machine test run here. We will only ship out the machine after we confirm that everything of the machine is imperfect. So we will ship out the machine, just like this one. We just finished the machine test run. We disassemble the machine. Now it's only wait for customer for the shipment instructions. Let's go ahead. Like this machine is now in machine test run. After we finish assembling, we will absolutely do the machine test run, make sure everything is fine. And this is our toggle system. You can see that the toggle is clamping on the middle of the platen. So actually this kind of machine is specific suitable for the deep product like trash cans. Like deeper and longer product is better. And let's continue. So as you can see, this is also another our toggle system, and also this is under machine test runs. And here, it will be our pleasure to introduce you our two-color, two-pattern injection molding machines. There will be 3 parts for the introduction. First one is the injection unit, and then computer system, and finally we will introduce the clamping system. So the first part first. As we just mentioned that this is two-color machines. Two-color machine means that there are 2 injection units. Each one is for one color. So 3-color machine has 3 injection units. 4 injection units for the 4-color machines. As you can imagine that the structure will be very complex if you want to put many injection units in a small space. That's why we choose our single cylinder design. For the benefit of this design is that this has better reaction speed, so it will be much more easier for our customer to adjust their injection setting. The other benefit is that this single cylinder injection unit design can simplify the whole structure. So because you need to put many injection units in this space, when this simplify the structure, the customer can easily understand that which part is for which function. It will be more easier for the customer to do repair, to do troubleshooting, and do maintenance. And here, this is our computer system. We use TaipeiPLAS computer system. This is a computer system we have used for many years, and according to our experience, this is a very stable and very well-performance computer system. The benefit is that for this computer system, customer can add many optional functions as they request, so it will be more flexible for the customer to customize their machines. Another benefit is that in this page, here you can see that this TaipeiPLAS computer system use picture to show you which for each movement of the machines, and here is the sequence modified. So customer can just pick out, use their finger to remove one picture to this picture and save. So they can finish the modification of the whole machine procedures. So if some customer they have some special modes or special products that request specific working procedure, they can just modify the whole working procedure in this area, in this page. So they don't need to wait for the supplier to modify the program. They don't need to wait for the supplier. They don't need to pay for the supplier to modify the program. So they save the time, they save the money. This will be very useful for the customers. And here is the camping unit. Compared to the traditional toggle system machines, it removes one platen and also without the toggle system inside. So it can reduce the machine dimension and machine weight, so it will be more flexible for the customer to arrange their factory space. They can put more machine in the same factory. Also, because there is no toggle system there, so customer can reduce the regulation cost, and also they don't need to worry about the worn out of the toggle. And here, Lisa, as you can see, there are 4 clamping cylinders on the 4 TaipeiPLAS. So the clamping force is separately, equally to the 4 TaipeiPLAS. So this, by this way, it can reduce the deformation of the platen to longer the lifetime of the TaipeiPLAS, the lifetime of the platen, the mold, and most importantly, it can increase the good product rate of the product because the clamping force is separate equally. And here, we use rotated pattern for these 2 color machines, and we use Siemens servo motor to make sure the rotation can be fast and also accuracy. Due to the time limit, we can only provide you a general introduction. But if you need more information, please feel free to contact us. It will be our pleasure to provide you all the information you need. Thank you.
There's one question from Ms. Annie. She would like to know that after the outbreak of COVID-19, is CLF affected, and is there any changes for your business model? I would like to welcome Mr. Stephen Chan. He is the sales manager of CLF to join us to answer your questions. Hello, Stephen. Can you hear us? There's another question from Ms. Alice. She would like to know how will the plastic and rubber industry develop in the post-pandemic?
Hello, can you hear me?
Hello. Yes, we can hear you, Stephen.
Okay, well, my answer to the first question is that the outbreak of the COVID-19 actually did not affect much impact on the operation of our factory because our market is so evenly distributed, well dispersed. So the logistics industry actually increased the performance of the e-commerce platform due to the pandemic, okay? And the development of electric vehicles also contributes to the demands of the auto parts industry. So not really that much affected, yeah. We are still doing well. Okay.
Good news. So the second question from Ms. Alice, she would like to know, how will the plastic and rubber industry develop in the post-pandemic era?
Well, what we're looking is that after the pandemic, people's lifestyle will changes. Okay, when changes, it will minimize our close contacts. This will definitely improve the logistic industry. Okay, and the development of the distance education, like what you have seen in schools, it will increase the demands for laptops. Okay, laptop also injection molding. The increased environmental awareness will reduce the demands for disposable bags, plastic straws, but will increase in the reusable of high temperature resistant non-toxic tableware. So this is another business opportunity. And in automotive industry, due to the demands for stricter fuel consumption and the reduction of pollution, the demands for composite material, the newly engineered materials such as long fibers, is expected to be increased. As for the plastic industry, due to the innovation of new materials, the future is expected to be bright. That's how we see the future after post-pandemic.
Thank you, Stephen. We also wish this pandemic can end very soon so that we can welcome Juno, Annie, and Alice to come to Taiwan and also visit CLF factory.
Oh, definitely.
You're
most welcome.
Yes, we would love to do that. Yes. If there's no further questions, I would like to wrap up today's event. TaipeiPLAS and ShoeTech Taipei online exhibition and DigitalGo is live during September 28 to October 28. Please stay tuned every Wednesday and Thursday for factory in-house live show. Please visit TaipeiPLAS.com.tw and ShoeTech.com.tw for more details. And if you're interested in CLF solutions, please make sure to visit CLF.com.tw for more services. Thank you, Stephen, for joining us today, and thank you for all the audience for your watching.
Okay.
Please keep healthy and happy. We would like to see you in Taiwan very soon.
Okay.
See you next time.
See you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.